Well, friends, here we are. I'm in Salina, Kansas, and I scaled this truck yesterday at 38,000 something, so 38,000 and some change. And you can see airbags. This is air ride, 15K axles. This is for the lift axle. About 11'6", 11'7". Which is kind of the max for 2019 F350. But this is coming from Texas going to Colorado. Did straps in front, 4 inches, and then chains in the rear. Added a couple little straps just to go straight up and down for that top one. Make sure we keep it secure up there. So now we'll get a little video of going down the road. Well, here we are, cruising down I-135 in Kansas, outside of Sedgwick, and running at 69 miles an hour, because yeah. And no, now we're down to 70. With this load, it says we're getting 5.7 miles a gallon. Don't know if that's true or not. Have to figure it out on paper. Running was at 230 degrees for the oil temp. Tranny's at 226. The outdoor temperature is 51. The tire pressures stay pretty consistent, so pretty happy about that. Interior lights are okay. 70 miles till we get off. Be just in time for fuel. I'm definitely gonna have to do a video on this trailer. Trailer's air ride, and as you can tell, I'm doing this video in reverse. I'm actually gonna shoot the intro to this video tomorrow morning. But it's back there, about 940 mile trip from Texas going to Colorado. Truck ride's great, no issues, running out of DEF fluid. What are we at now? 313 miles, 312. The truck goes into Ford on Saturday for an oil change, and they fill up the DEF for free, so when I stop to get DEF, I'm not gonna top it off. I'm gonna get just enough in there to get back home and then send it in 2 days to have the oil changed. Besides that, really no complaints. Plenty of power. Some of these roads are bumpy, you can't help it, but with the air ride on the truck and the air ride on the trailer and the Gen Y hitch, definitely a huge improvement. It comes up quite a lot about deleting the truck, and I'll tell you the reason I haven't done it is 1, no time, 2, the thing's brand new, it's got 5,400 miles on it, and 3, I'm still looking into making it compliant for DOT, so just getting around that is the only obstacle. But for sure in the future, once this truck's definitely on a warranty, delete it. But my warranty is 6 years, 150,000, which at this rate, it's not going to take too long to rack up. That about does it for this video, unless I think of anything else. Not the prettiest sunset tonight, but looks kind of cool with the trees. One thing to add to this video, I suppose, that we haven't really covered is steep grades, and I knew this hill was here. So still pulling the load. That's 38,140, and I'm in a tiny place called St. Francis, Kansas. If you ever get the opportunity to stop by, you should probably do it. It's a pretty nice little town. And this isn't, you know, some big, huge mountain pass, but this is a long hill, and you can see, you know, it's doing just fine so far. I only have the pedal probably about 50% of the way down. I don't see any point in flooring it up this hill, just waste even more fuel and more wear and tear. Holds third gear. 38 feels about, I think, where we're gonna sit until we crest this. Don't need to go any faster, don't need to go any slower. It's actually kind of funny, in Oklahoma, I don't remember what it's called. I think it's like Butterfly Pass or something foo-foo like that. Anyways, I was thinking, you know, in Colorado, it's like we have places like Loveland Pass and going up over Eisenhower through the tunnels. That's a pass. This one in Oklahoma, I think it was done over with in like 2 or 3 minutes, and it was probably less grade than that hill just was. Either way, whenever I get the opportunity to go over that one, Loveland Pass, I get a video.